Oh, hi everybody, I'm back again with card number 3 of the Father's Day series, using the Inloveartshop.com stamps and images and sentiment stamps. So I'm going to use this really cute little kitty cat with a heart, which I've coloured with my Copics. So I'm using these 2 sheets of paper from the Paisley Wild, the pink Paisley, sorry, Wild Child. I've forgotten already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mat this one, which is quite busy, onto this one. Okay. And I've already stuck some tape on the back just to save a bit of time. And again, I'm using the same size card, which is a 5 3/4 by 5 3/4 size card. When I do make mail cards, I tend to go for cards that are for the I don't know, teenager or younger males, because cute I can do. You know what I mean? I'll stick that on there. I'll just add these. So yeah, I tend to go like for cute rather than, you know, for like an adult male is so difficult. I did a football shirt once, like a card in the shape of a football shirt of someone who you know, loved a certain team. I can't even remember what team it was. Tottenham Hotspurs, I don't know, something like that. But anyway, I did a football shirt, so that wasn't too bad. But yeah, it's really hard to do mail cards. They're not something I would say I enjoy doing, although these, I'm loving these stamps, and I'm loving making these. Right, just make sure this goes down. Okay, now I've got this strip here, but what I'm going to put down first is I've got some like shimmery metal effect, like washi tape, a bit blingy. So I'm going to put this down first. Across the middle of the card, and hope I get it level, because actually if I cut a piece off it might be a little bit easier. Right. And then pull that off. Do it this way. And this sort of blingy stuff is sparkle tape, and it's from Doris. You get 3 yards of it. So, and that was gifted to me by a friend of mine. I'm just trying to take the backing paper off. Okay. And then just add that. Underneath, and then, oh, just gonna trim that off. Sorry if my hands are in the way. Just trim off this side. There we go. Very nice. And then I'm just going to add this piece here in the middle of it. Yeah. Double sided tape. Oh, already put double-sided tape on it. So the sentiment I've used says Dad, you're the best, and I've stamped it again with the teal stays on. Oh, it's a lovely colour, teal blue. One of my favourite colours actually. Okay, so I'll just try and get this in the middle. There we go. So now, where's my little image? Oh, there it is. So I'm going to stick that there, and then I've got a little, like a little saying. It says "Super Dude" that I cut out of the Wild Child paper pad. There's a few, right? I should like it there, so I cut it out of there. So yeah, Super Dude, that one there. Okay, so I'm going to use that as well, so I'll take the stickies off of this. These have been really fun to do, these cards, because they're so cute. Sorry, I'm just struggling to get there. It's even worse if you haven't got any nails. Mine aren't too bad at the moment, but they're still a pain to take off. This is not the best double foam tape, but I think I got it from the pound shop. Sometimes you get a duff one. Okay, so I'm just going to put him on there. It's a little mouse. I thought it was a cat, but it's actually a little mouse. And then I'm just going to, where can I put that so it's like he's saying Super Dude. Yeah, I can put it there. Let's do that. There we go, Super Dude. And then I just need some foam tapes just to add with that. I've got some buttons as well, and a little, I have got a little bow. So this is like little mouse has got like a heart, and this is like a little wool bow. I'm going to glue a bow on it. So I've got a little woolen bow I'm going to glue there. I'd normally use hot glue, but this stuff's good as well, tacky glue. Stick that there, and then I'm going to stick this green button on it. And then the last of these two buttons I'm going to put here. And then Dad, you're the best sentiment, just there. So there we go, that's our card number 3. So I'm just going to get the other ones I did. So there we go, let's just get rid of this. Put that way. So these are the 3 cards that I made, Father's Day cards. I hope you, they're really easy. Any stamp set that's you've got that's similar, you know, that's got little critters or whatever, and sentiments, yeah. So yeah, I hope you liked them. So that's one. Dad, you're my hero. Happy Father's Day. And then Dad, you're the best. Super dude on that one. So they're all very cute. So thank you very much for watching my Father's Day 3-card series. And I'll be back again soon. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, share, but most of all, come back. Bye.